Okay, now today we are going to learn to calculate the standard deviation with the help of calculator. Now before you start using the calculator, make sure that your calculator is all reset. I mean that you can reset your calculator if there may be some problem. So in order to reset your calculator, or if your calculator has some kind of problem, then you can press shift and then 9 and then 3 and then equals to. Now this will reset your whole calculator. Now in order to calculate the standard deviation of a continuous series, I'm talking about the continuous series. I have a question here. You can see a question. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and the frequencies are also provided as 4, 6, 10, 26 and 4. This is the frequency, and the standard deviation of this question is 12.96. Now I'm going to get the standard deviation, and at the same time I'll also be teaching you to find the mean. The mean also has been calculated as 31 here. Now for this question I'm going to get the standard deviation. Now before we start, make sure that the frequency of your calculator is on. Now in order to on the frequency, you have to press shift mode down, and then you come to the start mode. You start as in 4. Now you have frequency 1 as on and frequency 2 as off. So on the frequency is on now. After this you have to press click mode, and then now we're talking about the statistics. So statistics can be seen in 3 here. In 3 it is displaying stat, so we'll press on 3. Now you can go to 1. Now you have x here, you have frequency here. Now since it's a continuous series, now here you have 0 to 10 here, right? Now the mean value of 0 to 10, we all know that it is 5. So the mean value of 0 and 10 is 5 here. Now if you don't know why it is 5, then you have to add those 0 and 10. The sum of 0 and 10 will be give you 10, and you have to divide that sum by 2, always by 2, and then you'll get your 5. So this is 5. Now the next one you have here is 10 to 20. So the sum of 10 and 20 is 30, and the half of 30, or 30 divided by 2, will give you 15. So you also have here 20 to 30. The next one you can see the 20 to 30 here. The next one, you have to add them, 20 to 30, and then the sum will be 50, and the half of 50 will give you 25. You also have here 30 to 40, similarly 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. We'll do it up to 50 to 60. So we have, so far we have done here up to 10 to 20, that is 15. 20 to 30 we got here 25. Now 30 to 40, the sum of 30 to 40 is 70, and the half of 70 is 35. And the next one we had is 40 to 50, that is 90. The half of 90 is 45. And then lastly we have 50 to 60. The sum of 50 and 60 is 110. The half of 110 is 55. Now we'll come to the frequency. We'll use the frequency provided by the question. And now here the frequency given is 4, 6, 10, 26 and 4. Now we'll click on 4, 6, 10, 26 and 4. So now we have put down the data here. Now we have included all the data here. Now after doing this, we press on AC. Now you have to click on shift and then 1. It is displaying 1 as the statistics. Now you can go to 4 to get an answer. Now if you click on 1, you'll get the sum of the frequency. The sum of frequency is 50 here. Okay, now you can see the sum of frequency is 50 here. Now again shift 1, 4. Now if you click on 2, you'll get the mean of this data. The mean of the data here is 31. It is displaying 31. Now you can see the calculation here. The mean here was also 31. Now we are actually looking for the standard deviation. So shift 1, 4. Now when you click on 3, you will get the standard deviation we were looking for. It displays 12.96, and our answer here is also 12.96. Now you can even get the coefficient of variation. The formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean. So you can do shift 1, 4, 3. It's the standard deviation by the mean. Shift 1, 4, 2, standard deviation by mean. So this will give you the coefficient. So here the answer is 0.41. So this is coefficient of variation. So this is how we get the standard deviation and the mean with the help of calculator. Thank you so much. I hope that you like the video.